Okay, so this hand moves fine. This one you got shut in a door some years ago. Go ahead and move them. Let's see how the thumb opposes across. And that's as far as this one goes, really. Open it up again. All the way. And then back. That's it. Okay, before. What's that feel like? Oh. Talk to me. There?
Right now.
Okay, we just finished 300 Softwaves on her left hand. She had it surgically repaired 25 years ago, unable to oppose her thumb. Let's see you do it now, hon.
Wow.
Do it again. Do it again.
Serious?
Well, how long has it been since you've been able to move it like that?
Like 25 years.
What do you think of this device? Why did
you buy me one?
Yeah, I know you do.
I need one for home. Are you serious?
25 years. I love it. It melts away scar tissue. What did I tell you?
I got to come back and get some.
Thank you, Miss Lucille.
This is beautiful.
Isn't that? God bless you.